That black yo magic, 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 black yo magic. That black yo magic, that black yo. Look at that black yo.
It's my birthday. It's your birthday. It's Tuesday. It's the November 5th. And a real one was born. I'm a twin, so happy birthday to him too. But yes, we got the club going up on a Tuesday. Got your girl in the she choose. Got the club going up on a Tuesday. Like, it's my birthday, y'all. Like, it's Tuesday, so I won't be doing much. But as you know, in the other videos, I am going on a cruise this weekend. And it's lit, okay? It's lit. So in this video, I'm just gonna be doing my makeup with y'all. I was gonna do something extra dramatic, but your girl overslept, and I have to be to work today. So we just gonna do something fast, easy. I never wear my makeup to work, so this is gonna be a little different for them. It's gonna be a little different for them, so period. Brows already done as always. So let's hop into it. So I'm going to be using this palette today. Something fast, something simple. And I'm going to be priming my eyes with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Dark 42. Go ahead and prime my eyelids. Yeah, I'm so blessed to make it to 40. I feel 46. But I'm so blessed to make it to 23. I feel like 23, I need to accomplish a lot of stuff because I have been procrastinating getting some shit done. Like, this year I definitely didn't have my driver's license. Like, I should have been had that, but I need to finish learning how to drive so I can get my driver's license. What else? I have so much going on at 23. I'm getting married. In the process, I'm going to probably get a house as well because my boyfriend or fiance, he definitely don't want an apartment, so the house is the move. He's been saving up, I haven't, so after January 1st, I have to get on my grind and start saving my money because I'm definitely haven't been doing that. And I might even get another job to help with the process, so we'll see about that. My body can handle that because I do have lupus, and you never know what my body can handle. It can barely handle the job right now. So that's that. I don't know what else. I don't know. I just need to get my shit together, basically. Because at this rate, it ain't going to be. I'm going to go in with orange, and I'm just going to take that right there. I'm gonna go in with credit. That's what I'm gonna do. And then I think I'm going to do a half cut crease. You know. got done using a Kat Von D eyeliner to just put the... Alright, so I'm done with the eyes right now. I'm just gonna go in. My face is already moisturized. I used the Cetaphil. I use this to moisturize my face. No, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's Cetaphil. And then right now I'm just gonna go in with some Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Damn, it's almost 9 o'clock. I need to hurry up. So I'm gonna go in with the Dewy Maybelline and then the Lumi and mix that together. You know I gotta put my moles back. Alright, you guys, so the last clip that y'all seen, I was rushing to get ready for work because I didn't want to be late. Like, I did not need that tardy. But yes, I am back home from work, and so far my birthday has been really great. Like I said, you know, I'm 23, but I feel like I'm 83. I feel it all in my knees. I need them Megan Thee Stallion knees, y'all, because right now, whew, the knees is not what's up right now. So I'm surprised my makeup lasted 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 1, 1, 2, 2 to 3, 6 hours so far, because I always take off my makeup. Like, I'll do it, take pictures, and wipe it off. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching my videos. And if you enjoyed this one, because you know it's your birthday, it's my birthday, bad bitch contest, I'm in first place. If you enjoyed this video, like, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Like, we're almost there. I don't know how many subscribers I'm gonna have by the time this video is posted, but right now it's almost to 400. So I'm so grateful for all you, and just continue to support and ride out with me. Stay tuned for more videos. All right, I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.